So this is a drone class. It's called Drone Technology and Flight Operations. We teach the students the basics of aviation sciences that go into drone operations. We run them through these laboratory activities like understanding how to integrate a payload into a drone, how to test a propeller and determine propeller performance. But then later on we're going to take them out to the cage and we're going to provide flight training so they get experience operating the aircraft, ultimately receiving an FAA Part 107 license and a Trusted Operator Program certificate.
I really like this class. The lectures are built really well to the point where it's like they explain everything in a nice, neat way, where he has videos but then also has like the notes, and so I get to really understand the material. When we come to class, it's like interesting. We get to do all these projects and stuff, so it really makes me feel like I'm involved, so then it makes me want to perform well too. I feel like most of the time, at least with my major, I'm normally on my laptop the whole class or just listening to a teacher talk the whole time. And here it's like I get to actually do what is being talked about. And so it's like it makes you really want to pay attention to what's going on in class because you're like, I'm about to do this.
Pitch, the pitch angle. The applications are infinite. We use them for studying wildlife, natural resources, but then there's also public safety applications. We've gone down to Hurley, Virginia, where the floods occurred a couple of years ago, and we looked at flood situations down there with the drones and how we can improve quality of life for the residents in these areas that are flood prone. In this class, the students get this, what's called a Trusted Operator Program certificate, a Level 2 certificate, which gives them a level of experience operating aircraft in a professional environment. So if they want to fly these for a company, if they want to start their own business, this course really empowers these students to take their experience and then move it to the next level.